What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Got something for Christmas that I'm going to kind of open up. It's from my daughter, and she's got great taste. It's funny. She's only 9, and the one thing she wanted me to get was a knife so I could do a video over it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I don't think it was quite that much. I think it was a little bit cheaper too because it was like a Christmas sale or something like that. I can't remember where she got it at. She went and picked it out somewhere. And we don't have a lot of knife stores around where I live, so I think she got it from Dunham's. And hey, you know what? My girl's got it. She's got some good taste. It's kind of funny. Um, 'Cause this one right here is what she got me last year, so apparently it's becoming a theme for my daughter and Christmas presents. So it's really really funny. I love her, and she just cracks me up because she does this stuff, and especially for 9 years old. Uh, yeah, I don't know anybody else's kid that does this. So yeah, let's get into it. Now this is the SOG Salute. Let's kind of get it open. Let's not cut the knife, scratch the knife at all. I didn't open it. This one she got off of Amazon, obviously, and it's not quite as sharp anymore. I used to use it quite a bit for opening stuff. It definitely needs a little bit of love on it. Love on that blade. Alright, let's check it out. Now, I do have a few SOGs. Um, maybe just two. This is probably my third one. And I haven't gotten another one anytime like recently. Alright, let's actually got information on there too, so we'll pull it out too and kind of look at it both. It is, like I said, the SOG Salute, and it says that the steel is, does it say on there? So it is obviously from China, and it is 8CR13 MOV, and I thought this was, okay, that's a little goofy, designed by SOG in the USA, and then it says China on the blade. So I don't know how that's gonna go. That's so weird. Maybe it says designed here and built in China. I'm not quite sure. But it's no, it's hard cased black SOG sharp stainless steel blades. That's the blade. It does have G10 handles with stainless steel liners. Alright, so yes it does. I don't know how it, oh, so it closes right there. That's the locking right there. Low, oh, so it does have a deep carry pocket clip. And it's definitely a tough one. So that's kind of nice. It's not a big pocket clip either. Any more information? Reversible. Oh, so is it reversible? Oh, so it is reversible. That's kind of cool. See that little hole? Okay, there you go. There's the hole right there. So all you have to do is just take it out. Oh, I'm assuming that screw right there. Take that out and screw it and put it on this side, and that's kind of nice. That's nice. I like that. I like this reversible, and I do like these pocket clips that go on the top like that. That is kind of a nice little feature, because then it is definitely, obviously, deep carry. It's rugged G10 machined handle, full length stainless steel liners. I don't know how long this is. Blade length is 3.625, and it's 4.2 ounces, so not too bad. I really like the way it does feel in your hand, though. It's not like overly thick feeling, I don't think, but it does feel pretty good. I won't lie. I don't know if I care for this right here, this little bit of metal. I don't know. That's kind of different for me. I don't know if it's for like line, or I don't know. Honestly, I don't even know. Let's close it first. Let's figure that out. Um, so I don't know what that's for. Obviously, I think this is for the lanyard or whatever you want to put on there. Um, I don't know what those are for. That's kind of just different. I don't know. It's not like sharp feeling or anything like that, so it's not really it doesn't really bug me that much. But it is kind of, you do feel it. Not bad though. It's really not that bad. I do like the handle though. It does feel pretty good though in your hand, like the G10. And I do like the blade. Like, it is a good sized blade too. I don't have anything to compare it to really. Um, here. Everybody knows about that Kunwu Padre, and it is actually longer than that. And I've considered that quite a large knife, but it's a hairball longer. Okey-doke. It gets kind of greased up though, I'll give you that much. They did lube it up, so um, I do like the jimping on it too. Man, it is definitely lubed up and greasy. That'll come off though. We'll get it cleaned up. I do like the jimping on it. It is pretty. It's not smooth or anything. It's not real. You're definitely gonna attach onto it. Duh, that's kind of stupid. You're definitely gonna grip onto it though. I do like the way the blade. I don't know what type of blade that is. Like a drop point maybe. I'm not real good on blade like types and everything, but I think it's a drop point. Or you know what? In the comment section, if I'm wrong, tell me. Let me know. They definitely do put the SOG name all over it, and even on the pocket clip. I kind of like it on the pocket clip. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool little design for the pocket clip. It does have like little jimping type thing, texturing all over it, and you have like little cutouts right here, so you're not obviously gonna slip and everything. And it has like a little bit of texture right here. It's greasy though. It's lubed up. They definitely, man, like it's all over the place. It definitely feels greasy in the hand, but once you kind of get it cleaned up, I'm sure it'll be fine. Now this, I don't know what exactly this is called, the locking mechanism. I don't think it said anything about the locking. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't know what that locking mechanism is. Maybe just I don't know. I just know it's in the back, obviously, back of the blade. But it definitely feels sturdy. There's no play at all. So that's pretty nice. Let's see how it flips open. Oh, nope. Oh, good Lord, that doesn't flip open at all. That does not flip open at all. I literally tried to flip it open just right away the first time just then, and it kind of hurt. So it doesn't flip open real well. I don't know. Maybe that's just like that's probably the mechanism is what it is. It might need a little more KLP on it. You know what I mean? Or is it KPL? Hold on. It's KPL. It's KPL, not KLP. KPL. It's KPL. I don't know what I said. For some reason I was thinking CLP, but KPL. But yeah, it's not going to flip open. So maybe these type of knives. Maybe they're not meant to really flip open like that because the back lock. I don't know for sure. Or again, like I said, it may just need some KPL right in there, kind of loosen it up a little bit. Maybe play around with the pivot screws, loosen it up the hairball because it is really tight. Like it's not moving at all. So I don't know if that has some play in it, but or some reason why. But it does feel pretty sharp though too. I don't feel too bad. I'm gonna have to check it out and see if I can work on that real quick. See if I can get it to flip open eventually. I'm not gonna sit here and do that on this video, but I do like the texturing. I do like the knife overall. This I'm not sure about. I just don't know what that is, but I don't know. This is kind of a cool little gift from my daughter. I never, ever, ever will get rid of any of the knives that she has ever given me just because I think it's kind of funny that she does this, and I honestly love it. Like, I don't know if any of your kids down there, like if anybody out there, if your kids get you stuff like this, kind of, obviously, like my interest is knives. It's not my main primary interest, but like I really get into knives. Like I have other things I like to do and talk about and stuff like that and get into. But she definitely knows to get me a knife because that's one gift that I will never ever not not want. So she's a good kid. She knows what she wants. She knows what her daddy wants. But that's all I got. Let me know down in the comment section if your kid does this type of thing. It's kind of funny. But yeah, love the video, love the knife. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, and that's all I got.